It's the top. What the hell? Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a KILLSTAR haul. I haven't ordered from KILLSTAR in ages, but there was a new drop a few weeks ago and I loved some of the stuff, so I thought I'd buy it and try it. Probably isn't going to fit me, but we will find out. So I'm going to open it and look at what we got. Let's have a look. So the first item I bought was the carved up leggings, which is in the new drop, or one of the new drops. So I'm going to open them, and I've ripped the box already, so they won't be returned. I'm really apprehensive about these because I didn't realise they were one size, and I'm worried they're going to make my legs look like pork rolled up in wire, twine, whatever they do. Okay, so they are tights. They're footless tights, which is cool. I like that because I hate the feel of tights in shoes. Like, they're lovely to slip on, but no, I don't like feet tights. Feet normal tights. Looking at them, I wish my butt was that big, but oh, they haven't. Oh God, I don't think they're gonna go over my arse. They don't have loads of stretch in them. It's a tight. Okay, we will see. We will see. The next thing that I bought was the Slate socks. So I bought these because I think they were also in one of the new drops, and I've taken up roller skating. I used to roller skate as a kid, and I thought these would look really cute with one of the other items that I bought when I do some roller skating. So that's the socks. Just undo them. Let's just... Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Look how long these are. Bloody hell. Okay. Okay. I think these are gonna... Are they meant to be like that? I'm not even joking. These are the length of my leg. If you are short, do not buy these, because these are literally the length of my leg, and I'm 5'9". Okay, we shall see what's the stretch like in the... Oh my God, they are not going on. They aren't going on. Hell no. They are not going to go on. I'm telling you now. My thighs are like twice the size of that. What the hell, KILLSTAR? Seriously? Do they even have a size on them? No. You should think that socks should be able to fit everyone, and I did not think they were going to be that bloody long. Okay. Let's go through the next one. I can't even remember how much I spent. It was like £80. What's next? These are the disco shorts. Just rip them open. Ain't gonna return them. I'm one of those people that just doesn't return items. Okay, one, they are not the fabric that I expected. They are the shorts, and I don't think they're going to fit me. We will try. We will try. I'm going to try these on after, and then I will show you all. So they are the shorts, and the material feels crap. I could just be really... What the hell? I don't know if it was me, but the photo looked like they were made out of like, not this. They're really stretchy, but I feel like they're just going to hug everything. I'm not sure what. We'll try them. We'll try them. So I also bought a purse. This is an old purse, but I've loved the pattern. Let's have a look at this. I've not had a KILLSTAR purse before. Ta-da! Oh, it's nice and chunky. Carp Nocturne. Cute. So there's a little zippy in the back. Hopefully this will last. So lots and lots of slots for cards. I have so many. And a nice bit for the change. That is perfect. Nothing wrong with that. Smells really good as well. I love the pattern. I absolutely love the pattern. I had a skirt and a top from them, but they didn't suit me at all. And I like the box. It's quite cute, isn't it? Right, the last thing that I bought is the Cordelia fishnet top. I'm a little bit annoyed about this because before I ordered it, it was when they literally, it was the day that they were released. And it looked like this fishnet top had a vest top attached to it, like they were together, whatever the word is. And then they uploaded another photo and it was of a girl on her side, the model was on her side, and it's only the front. The fuck is that smell? I just got a really fishy whiff. And that's not me. That is not me. I'm just putting that out there. It's the top. What the hell? Or was it that? It's that. What the hell? That was weird. Oh, this is what I'm on about. Vest top, but it's only on the front. Literally, it's only on the front. This feels okay. I don't know if it'd be... What the hell is that? Look at that wrist. I don't know, maybe I'm just being really picky, but I need to try this all on. But it came to like £80. I'm going to try it and see how I get on. This is one of the reasons that I haven't ordered from KILLSTAR in so long. Because they're just so bloody hit and miss. It's like they put more effort in their packaging than they do their actual clothing. So that is my KILLSTAR haul. I'm going to try this stuff on and see how far I get. So, I've tried the socks on. I've got one on. And it's cutting the circulation to my thigh off while I'm bent down like this. But let me just show you. So, as you can see, I got chunky thighs. There is so much room. I don't know if you can see. These are meant to be up here. These are the tights, and they make my legs look absolutely vile. So the tights are a no-no. They don't fit comfortably. They're quite tight, and they look like, my legs look like meat, like pork, then it's disgusting. So yeah, I'm not. They've already ripped as well, and they're a pain in the arse to put on. They are actually so difficult to put on. I've probably just spent 15 minutes trying to get these things on because my toes kept going through the gaps. So I think I'm just going to make my own, because they're not worth 20 quid. I'm not even going to show you the shorts. They fit me, but they showed every lump and bump. My arse was hanging out. Great look for me. And they just didn't look right. And I would show you, but that, I know that someone will comment going, oh, look at you getting your body out. And I can't be dealing with that right now. So the disco shorts, they don't look great. They really don't. Cute as hell, but once again, there is a problem. The arms are so tight. Like, this isn't part of it, that's my bra. But that, what are you supposed to wear with this? Like, and the wrists are so tight. My bloody Fitbit, it's gonna rip it, isn't it? I feel really like, definitely would need a necklace with this. Overall, this KILLSTAR order has been a massive flop. I don't know what. This is really cute, but it's just, I feel like there's like loads missing here. I feel a bit, yeah, this isn't a great haul, but hey ho, you win some, you lose some. The purse is cute though. So that is my KILLSTAR haul. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, make sure that you like and subscribe if you want to see more of me. And if you are a regular, thank you so much. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to stay spooky.